In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to Vimeo. If you share videos with your supporters, linking these two accounts makes it easier to manage access and keep everything organized. We'll walk through the exact clicks on Patreon and finish by authorizing Vimeo, so you're ready to publish with confidence. Start by opening Patreon.com in a desktop browser and signing into the account you use to run your page. Using the correct profile matters because the connection will apply to the account that's currently logged in. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy. Once you're on your Patreon home, head to Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left sidebar or under your profile menu. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled More. Select it to reveal additional options related to your creator tools and account. Next, open Connected Apps. This is where Patreon lists trusted third-party integrations. It's a safe place to manage what's linked to your page and to review or revoke access later if you ever need to. In the Connected Apps screen, locate Vimeo and select it. You'll see a brief description of the integration. When you're ready, choose Connect. Patreon will now hand you off to Vimeo to complete a secure authorization. This is standard OAuth, which means you never share your password with Patreon. You simply approve the connection on Vimeo's side. On the Vimeo sign-in page, log in using your email and password, or continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. Make sure you're signing into the Vimeo account that actually hosts the videos you plan to share on Patreon. If you're already signed in, Vimeo may skip straight to an approval screen. Review the permissions shown and confirm to authorize. After you approve, you'll be redirected back to Patreon, and the Vimeo status should show as connected. That's it. The link is active. From here, when you add Vimeo videos to your posts, Patreon can recognize the connection and help ensure only your supporters see what's meant for them. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the authorization window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up or tracker settings and try again. If you have multiple Patreon or Vimeo accounts, double-check which one is signed in before you connect to avoid linking the wrong profiles. You're all set. You've connected Patreon to Vimeo, and you're ready to share your videos with the right audience seamlessly.